We commonly get calls asking why you are unable to send data to the HMRC. In most cases, this is because the information is not held or has been processed incorrectly and they are not recognised by the HMRC. In this short video, we will talk you through the setup process in more detail and highlight the most likely reasons for your error messages. The first stage is making sure that you have registered and set up your new employer correctly. If you go to Employer, General, here you will see the details that you entered when you registered. Check that your business username and your address is correct. Next, check that you have the correct HMRC Accounts Office reference. This number should be 3 numbers, 2 letters, followed by 8 numbers. We have found that in the past the HMRC will omit any leading zeros from the last 8 numbers. However, it is a requirement of the validation process for the 8 numbers to be there with any leading zeros. Check that you have selected the right accounts office and that the sort code and the account number are correct. The tax office code and reference number causes the most issues. Your employer PAYE reference number is made up of a 3-digit tax office code and a tax reference number that can be a mixture of letters and numbers. It is a requirement of the HMRC that your employer tax reference number is made up of these 2 codes and that they are displayed in this format to enable the HMRC to identify your company when you make online submissions. You are likely to have multiple references for different parts of the HMRC, but they are not linked or interchangeable. If these 2 references are not correct, you will not be able to submit any data to the HMRC. You can find the details of your account and tax office reference by logging into the Government Gateway website. Once you enter your Government Gateway ID and password in here, you can check what your tax reference will be. Additionally, if you don't yet have a Government Gateway ID, you can sign up for one here. If you have a paying in book, the tax reference and accounts office reference can be found on the front page of the book. Once you are happy with the data held on this page, you will need to complete one more step to ensure that you are able to submit the data. Close this screen down. Click on Users and My User Details. Enter your Government Gateway user ID here and enter your password. If you are a single user, ensure you tick the primary HMRC contact so that you receive notifications when the HMRC send through amendments. If you have multiple users, only one primary contact should have this box ticked. Additional users will not require this. And update and close. Your payroll is now set up to be able to send FPSs and EPSs to the HMRC at the end of each pay period. If you have any more questions, please feel free to raise a support call and we will answer them for you. Thank you for watching.